is a binary relation R on n cross n is defined as follows. A comma B is R related to C comma D if and only if C A is less than equal to C or B is less than equal to D. That is, A is less than equal to C और B is less than equal to D. मतलब चाहे A C से छोटा हो जाए या बराबर, या B D से छोटा या बराबर हो जाए, तो ये दोनों टर्म A B एंड C D एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड होंगे. एग्जाम्पल 5,7 is R related to 8,3. 7 3 से छोटा नहीं है, बट 5 is less than equal to 8. 5 is less than equal to 8, but 7 is not less than equal to 3. Then also this pair is related to this pair due to this, because this condition satisfying, this is not satisfying. So now we have to check whether R is reflexive or transitive. For reflexive, we know that A comma B must be R related to itself, A comma B. Whether it is true or not, we will decide now. See, every number A is less than equal to itself, and every number B is also less than equal to itself. So the relation is reflexive. Example 5,7 is R related to 5,7 is correct or not. Since 5 is less than equal to 5 is correct, and also 7 is also less than equal to 7. Condition is saying only or, but here both A less than equal to C and B less than equal to D both are correct in this case. Therefore relation is reflexive. It is correct. Now we will check transitive. Suppose that 5,7 is R related to 8,3 and 8,3 is R related to 4,3. See, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D. Condition is saying that A should be less than equal to C or B should be less than equal to D. Here 5 is less than equal to 8 or 7 is less than equal to 3. This condition is not satisfying, but this condition is satisfying, therefore these are related. इस केस में आप देखेंगे ये A हो गया, B हो गया, C हो गया, D हो गया. 8 भले ही 4 से छोटा नहीं है, बट हमारा 3 खुद ही 3 से छोटा या बराबर है. ये सही है, ये गलत है. इसके वजह से ये रिलेशन एग्जिस्ट करेगा. 8,3 will be R related to 4,3. Now these two relations should ensure that 5,7 must be R related to 4,3 for transitive. But if you will see 5 is not less than equal to 4 is not correct. इसके लिए चाहे 5 4 से छोटा हो जाए या फिर 7 3 से छोटा हो जाए, बट 5 is not less than equal to 4. Also 7 is also not less than equal to 3. This is also false, this is also false. Hence relation is not existing between 5 7 and 4 3. So it is not transitive. So our option will be, so relation R is reflexive but not transitive, so our option will be B.